It's 7:37 in the morning. I'm at the El Cortez. I just put $1 into Kingpin Bowling. I've got me coffee. I'm starting the day with a tenor. Not Luciano Pavarotti or Andrea Bocelli, not that kind of tenor, but the good old greenback version. I'm going to stuff my other 9 ones into my pocket and begin my quest to make my dollars have babies. See you later. On Kingpin Bowling, my dollar went pretty quickly. I had one hit for 25 cents, and I cashed out my 2-cent ticket, and this is what greeted me. Isn't that precious? Kingpin's tight ass this morning, so I'm going to go 1, 2, 3 games over and play Alien. I got the taxi bonus on Wild Taxi.
Taxi! Hey, taxi!
Get 10 spins, there's 1. Ooh, that was a good one. My God, that was $2. So I'm gonna win back some of the money I lost on Alien and Kingpin Bowling.
Hey, taxi! Hey, taxi!
Oh wow, this is gonna be a good bonus.
Follow that car.
Hey, taxi! Follow that car!
Hey, taxi!
I got $4.70. I'll cash out at least a $5 ticket.
Follow that car!
How fast does this taxi go?
Got 2 spins left.
I know a shortcut.
1 spin
Again,
left.
are you crazy?
Oh, $4.90. So I'll cash out a $5. Yeah, $5.36. Okay, well I thought we'd catch up on the math. It's about 7:45 in the morning, Saturday morning, August 4th, I think. I've been here at El Cortez for about a half hour. I started with my tenor, and I lost on my dollar on Kingpin Bowling, and then on Alien, and then I went to get on Pharaoh's Fortune, but someone was on my machine, so I went to the other Alien machine and lost my dollars there, then came to Wild Taxi, and I won the bonus. I cashed out a $5 ticket, and there's $6 there, so I'm up $1 after a half an hour. And the cocktail waitress, I guess she saw that I had my coffee in my hand, so she didn't ask me if I wanted a drink, and I should have said something, but I didn't. Oh well. Next time she comes by, I'll snatch her if she comes by and she's not a hologram. One of those horrible holograms all the casinos use to trick you into thinking they're a cocktail service when they're not. I put another $1 in Wild Taxi and didn't win anything, so I moved to the opposite side of the bank of machines, and I was going to play Antique Appraisal, but I didn't notice the little light is the little light is flashing, and it says, "Call attendant. Printer is not responding," and nobody's responded, so I'm going to play phone tag instead, which can pay up to 300,000 credits, as opposed to Antique Appraisal, which is 200,000 credits. Hootloot on the other side is 400,000 credits, but Hootloot never pays shit. It's 8:09 in the morning. I'm returning to my motel room because nature is calling, and it's not the kind of call I want to answer here at the El Cortez. Thank you very much. TMI? Probably not. If I were videoing the nature call, then that would be TMI. Oh, just a little update as I return to my motel room to answer the call. I've been playing maybe 45 minutes, an hour, something like that. And I'm down $2, so that's not bad. for 45 minutes to an hour of entertainment. I've always wondered what that is. Is it a sculpture, so to speak? A little piece of downtown art? If anyone knows, let us know. We all like to be in the know. Well, like an idiot, I just realized I'm walking in the wrong direction. So I turned around. I have to go back the way I came. I want to go to my motel and answer nature's call. There's the little bike again. Hello, bike. Oh, and I've got green light up ahead. And I should run to try to catch him. I've got 9 seconds left. No, 7. But I'll jaywalk. It's early. I can do that. Well, it's time for another update. I took care of business, TCB, as Elvis would say. I just bought the last cheap seat to see Stevie Wonder tonight. And look at this, that liar from last night, First Friday, told me it was all that hoopla downtown under the dome with the seat for a free train concert. That's baloney, because here, this will focus. Oh, it's not going to focus. So you can see right there, train, and train is playing at the Palms, that big liar.